Hi! In front of me is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Realme. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Now click on Lock Screen Password. Wait 5 seconds and choose Continue in the pop-up. Now click on one of those password types, numeric, pattern or alphanumeric. You can always change your mind by tapping on Use a different password type and selecting one of those options, in my case pattern. Now create your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then you can add your fingerprint right away by choosing Add in the pop-up and following all of the instructions presented on your screen. If you don't want to do it now, just tap on Cancel. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!